Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix locked games on PS5. So if on game you're getting a little padlock here next to your game on the right side, what you need to do here, you need to log into an account that you purchased the game or you have subscription for. Then you need to go to settings, then you need to go to users and accounts. Then on users and accounts you need to go to other, and on other make sure console sharing and offline play is enabled here, right? And after you do so, you need to look if the problem persists or not with your different account. Also, if you have a padlock on a game, you need to go to account, and let's say it was with you get a game with a PlayStation Plus subscription or EA subscription, something along these lines, and look if that particular subscription is available for you and you still subscribe, because sometimes it also can cause the problem. And the last thing what you can do here is to go on other, go to restore licenses, and then restore your PlayStation licenses, right? And after you do so, you just need to wait, as you can see here, for a couple of minutes. And after that, then what you need to do here is to load with that particular account that you want to look. You're getting padlock and play the game. And also, if you're getting a big padlock with for a whole thumbnail of the game, it can cause with the parental controls. Maybe you don't have a parental controls password, so you need to ask your parents or guardians, whatever it may be. Right? So yeah, that's pretty much it.